learning of it on following it. Really?
California, like, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Good, yourself?
Not bad. It's yours.
HK MR556A1 with a suppressor.
You need to have the bolt closed to flick it over, but once you're ready, again, once you're ready, push it forward, close it, and then once you push it here, you're ready there.
Man, this can cuts down the sound a lot. I've got just little ears in today, and it's very, very manageable. You could run this with no ears, but this is a very, very slick design. It feels very solid all around, and not incredibly heavy. Even with the can up front there, and you know the long hand guard up on the front, it's not adding a ton of weight to it. Very, very comfortable design.
Here's what I like to do.
Yeah,
Check that out. Pull that up.
so we're cold the whole. Oh.
There you go. You got one in here now.
You make that look natural for some reason.
Well, you know,